So, how do you counter insurance companies when they attempt to minimize the severity of injuries for your cases?
That's like every case. Every case, the insurance company is going to minimize the injury of the injured person. The best way to do it, there's two ways. Number one, sue them. Suing insurance companies, my favorite thing to do. That's the best way to do it. Number two, make sure you're working with the best of the best when it comes to doctors and treaters. Get your clients to see the best doctors because that documentation makes all the difference.
What strategies do you use to refute claims that treatment for your client was like unnecessary or excessive?
One of my favorites is just to simply ask the defense lawyer or the adjuster, are you a doctor? Because my clients are just doing what their doctors told them to do. I don't direct patient care because I'm not a doctor. The doctors are doing that. And so every single time you hear, oh, they treated too much or they did too much, well, the pain wasn't gone. So you would rather that they just live with pain than get treatment that they need. You can make these arguments sound as absurd as they are just by flipping them on their head like that.
Can you share an example of where your medical expertise helped overcome an insurance company's denial or lowball offer?
Yeah, I got a perfect example. I had a brain injury case, and before we filed suit, they offered $23,000. All my client wanted was $25,000. We took the case all the way to the courthouse steps. We were right about to start trial. And because I had a great neurologist and a great neuropsychologist as experts, the case settled right before trial for $550,000 instead of $23,000 that they tried to offer us from the get-go. And the difference was simply that we had great experts that could prove that the traumatic brain injury here was caused by the crash and it wasn't related to anything else.